Carbon-14 is an isotope of carbon which is formed in the upper atmosphere when nitrogen is hit by sunlight. Then it comes down through the atmosphere and is absorbed by plants in the background. Now, because the rate of absorption of carbon-14 by the atmosphere is fairly well consistent, you can measure the age of certain plant materials by how much carbon-14 is in those plants, and because the carbon-14 decays radioactively over a certain period of time, then you can detect how old it is by the amount of carbon-14 that is still in those plants. This has its limitations though. For example, with sea creatures, those sea creatures have been eating other sea creatures which have been eating other sea creatures, and going back and back and back, and the original carbon that they absorbed was absorbed by created in the upper atmosphere much earlier, so those carbon-14 readings will be much older. And also, if you try to date coal through carbon-14, it's way too old. Except you might get faulty readings, because sometimes coal is near a seam of something radioactive, and that radioactive thing, whatever it is, uranium or whatever, will cause that carbon to become that carbon-14 isotope.